DotNetTricks is an e-learning platform to master in-demand job skills with our step-by-step courses and further learn to build real-world, end-to-end applications. Learn to code from anywhere, at any time that fits your schedule, on any device. DotNetTricks offers easy-to-follow and hands-on courses like step-by-step courses, learning paths, and learn-to-build projects for learning and building expertise on .NET, cloud, DevOps, front-end technologies, and many more cutting-edge technologies which are in industry demand today. Upgrade to DotNetTricks Pro to get unlimited access to all premium courses and to build industry-grade applications with confidence. With DotNetTricks Pro, you get full access to our world-class learning platform to access videos, code and our exclusive series of learn-to-build projects and even much more, using your smartphone, laptop or tablet. Join us to learn from Microsoft MVPs and industry experts at DotNetTricks. Our mentors are experts in their fields and passionate to share their experience with a community of 300,000 plus learners. Upgrade to DotNetTricks Pro now to learn in-demand job skills. Let us help you prepare for your better tomorrow.